Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a short one. I'll be showing you guys how to punch an eyelet hole on a corset top or dress with a grommet machine. We'll be using a grommet machine for this. In some cases, you can punch with this machine, punch the hole on the fabric with this machine. But if it's a very thick fabric, like some kind of very thick lace, this machine will be finding it difficult to punch the hole. So that's where this soldering iron comes in. You plug the soldering iron and use it to punch the hole on the fabric before you now use this grommet machine to press the eyelets on the fabric. So guys, today this lace is what we'll be using, and I'm using these pieces as an example of how to pierce the hole on the fabric using the grommet machine, because I will not use the soldering iron today. So here is this hole I just punched, and here are the eyelets I'll be using. So this is the corset we made, and we are about to punch the holes and fix the eyelets. So to fix the eyelets, the first thing we'll do is to mark the points at which you'll be putting the eyelets. Like if you wanted 2 inches spacing or 3 inches spacing, 3 inches is too wide for me. So I'll be using 1.5 inches spacing on this eyelet I'm going to make. So I'll make a mark on the first line. Then from that first line, I'll go down to 1.5, make a mark. Then go down again but with another 1.5, make a mark. On these points that I chalked, that's where I'll punch my holes before I'll start fixing the eyelets. So here we have 5. So I'll go ahead and punch the holes on these 5 marks now. So you place the fabric. If you have a bone in on that edge, you have to skip the bone, push it inside and place the fabric under the machine where that hole is. You press it down and it will create a channel, a hole for you. And this hole I'm creating is also depends on the size of the eyelet you are using. This machine comes in different, like not the machine itself, the pin under it comes in different sizes. So there are some 12, there are some 8, that depends. This particular one is a size 10 hole. So when I'm buying eyelet, I also look out for size 10. So this is me punching all the holes that I'll be using for these eyelets. So after punching the holes, I'll remove the fabric if there's any on it, making sure it's very neat. Then I will now bring the eyelets itself. So this eyelet has 2 colors. There's silver and there's gold. So I feel like the gold goes better with this particular lace I'm using. That's why I used the gold. And it has 2 sides as well. It has the side that is placed on the front part, which is usually the bigger part. Then it also has this flatter part that is placed on the inside. And this flat part has 2 sides, like a cover and the inside and out here. So just look out for the side that is the inside. Then you place it on top of, just watch carefully. I placed it on top of the hole and I make a press down, while the bigger one is already under it, that will be showing on the outside. So here's what we made, guys. It's very easy. This machine is very easy to use. Just know how to place it after punching, because once it's been pressed, then there's no going back. It's very difficult to remove and it might even ruin your dress. You don't want to ruin your dress, so know the sides that is being placed in front and back so that you place it accordingly to avoid mistakes. Then I'm just placing the eyelets on it as you see me doing. So after doing this, I'll go to the other side and repeat every other thing that I've done here and repeat it on the other side. I'll start with marking the lines, the 1.5 inches distance that I used. After marking, I punch the holes. If you look closely, I am skipping the bones because I have a bone channel on the edge of this my corset. So I skipped it and went inside before I punched my hole where I'm putting the eyelet. It is very simple, guys. As you can see, we are done with one side of this back. The next thing is to repeat everything we did on this side, is to repeat it here. So I'm going to fast forward this place so that we don't waste our time on this one. Just look closely. If you didn't get something from the first one, you can get it here as well. So this is me punching the holes. After punching the hole, I started fixing the eyelet. It's as simple as that. The only thing you need to be careful about is the sides as which you would place the eyelets itself, so that you don't put it backwards or inward outside. That's the only challenge. When you know your front and your back of the eyelets itself, and you know how to punch the hole correctly to avoid ruining your dress, there's nothing else to worry about when fixing an eyelet. So guys, we're literally done with this. Thank you so much for staying with us. If you haven't subscribed to iFashi, kindly press the subscribe button. Thank you so much for staying with us. I'm really grateful. A detailed video of how we made this corset will be posted soon. So this video is just for eyelets. Thank you so much for staying with us. I love you guys. Bye.